Hey everybody, I'm Karina. Today I am really excited to share with you something that is back in stock that I've been wanting to share with you, and I can't wait to show you what it is and how it can only enhance what you're already doing in your everyday lifestyle adjustments. Let's go. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, Fit Me Plus 3. As always, I'm so excited to have you here. If you're new with us, welcome. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button because we are back for you at least 2 times every single week. And today, as you can tell, I'm a little bit under the weather and trying to get my voice back, but I find that when that happens and my body is telling me that it needs an opportunity to shut down, slow down, and really just recuperate and heal, that I enjoy a specific part of my journey more so than ever. So what I'm talking about, and you may have seen one of our videos a couple of months back where I did a tutorial regarding a face blaster. So I am excited and proud to be sharing with you guys the fascia blasting aspect that I take in my everyday health and wellness journey. So obviously every single day we talk about, and even on here on my channel and on my YouTube, as well as my Instagram, how important it is to know what we're putting in our body and the things that we're using to fuel every single day to enhance the lifestyle that we're trying to live and better our lives through health, wellness, fitness, eating, whatever it is, and all of that combined. But sometimes we also talk about the fitness aspect, right? And we talk about working out and weights, and I share a lot of my workouts with you guys, but sometimes I think that we forget to talk about the outside of our body. So the skin that we're in, and how do we take care of that? So I have been a blaster, if you will, a fascia blaster for about 3.5 years now, and I have grown a collection. I will show that to you, and you can see exactly what that entails. So as you can see, this is the fascia blasting collection I have. It ranges from everything from the cryo packs, which are these black here, up here, as well as the facial one, which are good for recovery. The paddle blasters, which is the largest one, which is phenomenal because big areas of the body like the stomach, the back, it's easy to just put it around your own body. This is my new mini paddle blaster, which I'm so excited to share with you guys. This, again, is a smaller claws here, which I enjoy on this one here. These are the different types of oils, creams, serums. This is the newest Ashley Black serum that I've been using. The oil that I use specifically when I blast my face, which of course goes with the face blaster here. This is the only one that is specific to the face, but the rest can be used all over the body. This one can also be used. I used to use this one as a prep tool, but now that I have the smaller claws in the mini paddle blaster, I probably will be able. This is the old version of the blaster oil, which sprayed, but now we also have the roll-on oil, and then of course the blaster cream to help with recovery. This is the mini 1, which of course has just the one claw, which is great for the head, headaches, shoulders, and the nugget here to crayon. The mini 2, which is my favorite for my calves. It just allows me to really get in there. And then of course the original and the Big Daddy with the larger claws here. This one just has additional claws and allows you to get more. But this is the collection that I've acquired, like I said, showing you guys today my brand new friend and newest here, the mini paddle blaster. All of these are available on her website, which I recommend that you check them out. They come in different bundles, different packs, and super easy ways for you to enjoy and continue to enhance and add to what you're currently doing. But I also just recently got a couple of new tools, and one that I'm really excited to use because it's been out of stock off and on for the last year, and I didn't really take it too seriously to buy it in the beginning, which ended up biting me in the butt because I couldn't get it. I just got it, so I want to use it with you guys. I have shown you the face blaster in the past where I use it on my face, and it's a small tool that you can utilize all over the body, especially as a prep tool. And what I like about the face blaster so much is that it has small claws. So when I talk about claws, these are the tools, okay? This is the tool I'm going to show you today. These are small claws. They're very small. There are other tools that have larger claws like this. And for certain parts of my body, I find that if I use these tools first or too soon, my body can be very agitated, and it can hurt me because my body and my fascia and my skin is not broken down. And these claws tend to prep my skin a lot better. So This is the mini paddle blaster. I have the large paddle blaster, which is fantastic, and especially for larger parts of the body. But today I want to use this for the first time with you guys on my arms, because a lot of the other women that I work with and that I follow that Fascia Blast use this on their arms, and I have not. So first I'm going to tie my hair back because when you Fascia Blast, it's important to prep the skin, get it ready, because you want it to be on bare skin. I'm wearing my tank top here for you guys. Typically I do this in like a bathing suit or like a bandeau top. It just depends, but obviously I want my hair out of the way. I don't want to get oil in my hair. You can really use any type of oil. I use the Ashley Black oil. It's there's a bad glare on that, sorry. But it's the Ashley Black oil. I'll link it in the description below so you guys can see it. This is the new roller oil, which is fantastic because the other one was a spray bottle, which of course is great, but you can lose some of that just like in the ambience of it going on. And also it can get really messy. So this one is great because you just roll it on. As you guys can see, the oil is there. So one thing about your body, and we talked about this, is you can't spot reduce. My body loses weight last in my arms, so I hate my arms. I have my bat wings, I've got the extra fat, I've got a couple of stretch marks here. So I try to blast my arms and break down the fascia and the cellulite and get it where it belongs. Like I said, I don't like to use the large claws first because it hurts my skin, but let's use the mini paddle blaster. Okay, so it's got 3 rows, 9 total claws, 3 by 3. It's got this flusher too, which is great to like put on the skin and just flush it out when you're done. But once the oil is on, it's very, oh, that feels amazing. It's very easy to just start moving like this against the oil and against the skin. You want to move in quick motions up and down. You don't want to like grind into certain spots. That's what the crayons are for on other tools, not these tools. But already I can feel it like breaking down my skin. The skin will get red. That's ideal. And you want to keep pushing through. But oh my goodness, I love this Fascia Blaster. This Fascia Blaster is great, is from what I've seen from other ladies too, on the legs. Any Fascia Blaster can be used on any part of the body aside from the face, which is only recommended for the face blaster. I'm just showing you with my arms today because it's easiest and I don't have to get as undressed for my legs or anything like that. But oh my goodness, this is just making it so easy to Fascia Blast through here. So if you've seen some of my before and after progress pictures, a lot of people will ask me like, oh my gosh, your legs look so toned. And you know, oh, is that just the exercise? Is it this? Is it that? And I'm going to tell you right now, it's not just the exercise. Obviously, it's the eating, it's the exercise. But fascia blasting breaks down the skin, puts the fat back where it belongs, and helps get rid of the cellulite, like all day long, okay? Cellulite is a myth. Like, it's literally just fat pockets that need to be pushed back to where they belong. So I use these tools to push them back where they belong. But I'm going to, like I said, I showed you what I have in my entire tool bag. There's creams that you can use to put on after. As you can see, my skin is getting red. It's, I can feel it. And usually you go about 2 to 5 minutes per area, obviously with your tolerance. If someone else is doing it for you, like I have my husband do my back sometimes, unless I'm using the large paddle blaster, then, you know, you just tell them what the tolerance is. But at the end of the day, I hope that this helps you. I hope it inspires you. I hope if you're wanting to try new things, if you're wanting to look for new things to enhance what you're already doing, this fascia blasting is an amazing, amazing thing to add to what you're already doing with recovery. But why not take care of the skin that you're in? Why not make it beautiful and gorgeous? You can follow Ashley Black and all of her fascia blasting online. You can see befores and afters of us, of our friends, of all the other women in the world that are doing this. There's millions of us. And if you haven't heard about it yet, I am so happy that I was able to bring it to you today. And like I said, when I'm not feeling well like this and I take a break from weightlifting, I can still do my fascia blasting because I love it. It helps me heat up. I get in my sauna. It feels amazing. And at the end of the day, it's really just helping my body recover and recuperate. So I always appreciate you guys for watching. You know that. We will link the Ashley Black website in the description below, as well as some of my favorite tools. Don't forget that you can look at my website, which is FitMe+3, and all of the Ashley Black information is on there under affiliates as well. And don't forget that you can always follow the daily journey at my Instagram, which is FitMe_+3. And I sometimes will show some of my fascia blasting videos. I just realized we forgot to use the flusher. Oh, that feels good. But don't forget, you can use these tools on anything, anywhere on your body. You can have someone do it for you, but they're also so user-friendly that you can do it yourself. This feels amazing. Like I said, you can look and see some of the befores and afters and durings of other people who have done them. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I appreciate you guys as always. I hope this was helpful. I hope some of my beautiful women out there and men, they have a black onyx also. So don't think that they are too feminine. There are athletes all over the world that use them and they like the black onyx collection. So you can find all of that again in the link below. I will talk to you guys next time. Blast on, people.